Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a VPN for Google Chrome. So first step is going to be to open up Google Chrome, and then inside of Google Chrome, you guys want to type in Chrome extensions, hit enter, and then it's going to be the first link, Chrome Web Store, left click it, and then inside of the search the store tab, you guys want to type in Zenmate, hit enter, and it's going to be the first VPN right here, free VPN Zenmate. And then you're going to want to hover over to the right side where it says add to Chrome, left click it, add extension, and it's going to download the VPN to your Google Chrome. Give it a second, and then once it's done, you guys can go to the puzzle piece right here, left click it, hit the pin, and now you are going to be able to see the VPN at all times. And to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, left click, and then quick tour really fast, just keep clicking and boom. So right now we don't have the VPN on, and to just enable it, we can just literally left click and it is now enabled. And if you guys want to change the location, currently I'm at my location is in Germany, just left click the location, and the free locations are Germany, Romania, Singapore, and the United States. And if you guys want any of the others, you're gonna have to go premium. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.